Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. If you are learning to drive or just want to refresh your knowledge, this video is for you. Today we will analyze a difficult traffic rules test. Let's begin. Task. Which driver will pass first? Answer options. 1. The driver of the blue car. 2. The driver of the red car. Analysis of the situation. In this situation, many people are confused by the give way sign. But remember, it requires drivers to give way to vehicles approaching an unregulated intersection on the main road. However, in the picture we see a traffic light, and according to traffic rules, traffic light signals, except for flashing yellow, take precedence over priority road signs. The correct answer is 2, the driver of the red car. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who are also learning to drive. Thanks for watching, stay safe on the road, and I'll see you in the next video.